there is a light inside the human heart, a light older than memory itself. For many, it's been sealed by trauma, by loss, by stories carried through generations. The Sarah technique is a gentle healing practice using intention, light touch, sound, and ancient Egyptian heart wisdom to help release the emotional and energetic blockages that the body has carried for years. Its purpose is simple: to soften what has been sealed and allow the heart to remember its original light. Sarah opens the pathways of the Kundalini, where the feminine Sa clears the way and the masculine Ra rises through the heart with steadiness and peace. Trauma loosens, breath deepens, and the body begins to remember its birthright, to heal, to restore, to reconnect. A pathway home through the luminous, ancient center of you.